Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest features of the Messenger app on PC, specifically focusing on how to start a voice call. With the recent updates, it's easier than ever to connect with friends and family, so let's get started. First things first, launch the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it in the Microsoft Store, or you can simply use the web version by going to messenger.com. Once you have the app open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you're in the Messenger app, it's time to find the chat you want to call. If you have several conversations going on, you can easily scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top. Just type in your friend's name if you're having trouble locating them. This feature makes it super easy to find the right chat, saving you time and hassle. Once you've pinpointed the conversation, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Here, you'll see all your previous messages, photos, and shared content. Take a moment to catch up on the conversation if you wish, but when you're ready to chat, look up to the top of the page. In the upper right corner of the chat window, you'll notice a phone icon. This is your golden ticket to connecting with your friend. Just click on that phone icon, and voila! You've initiated a voice call.